Hey guys, welcome back to the Snap Ring Chronicles. Today we have something a little bit different today. It's a Harbor Freight tool video, but not the usual like ratchet or sockets review. This is an unboxing of the new Daytona 3-ton heavy duty jack stands that just came out at Harbor Freight. I had a pair of the old jack stands. They got recalled. Not exactly the recall ones, but all the ones from that era you can take back. And I had a 3-ton, I think it was what was the number? I think it was 62392. They were 3 tons, and if you take them back, you can get either cash or store credit, and they'll give you $25 cash for the 3 tons or $30 store credit. So I took the $30 store credit and I applied it to this new pair of jack stands. But these were a little bit more expensive. These were $39.99, and they give you a $30 store credit for the old ones, so I wound up paying like a little bit over $10 for the exchange, which isn't too bad. You know, these seem to be better quality than the old ones. Okay. Let me try to maneuver this a little bit better. This is item number 58343, and it says that they're 7 3/8 inch long and 6 with 7/16 wide. And where they're made, the important question right here, it says made in China. And over here it says double locking mobility pin for extra safety and security, cast iron ratchet bar, heavy duty reinforced steel base, ideal for auto, shop, farm, and truck service. And it's a ratcheting jack stand it comes with a locking pin. Okay, so let's open this up. Let's see what's inside. Okay, here are the stands. Ratchet. Okay, this looks pretty heavy duty. It looks to be, I think, better than the old ones. The old ones, I think, got recalled because the teeth were kind of shallow, so they didn't give enough. In some cases, didn't grab enough onto the what do you call that? The pin there. So, but these teeth look pretty big. It says 3-ton there, and it looks pretty wide. Okay. And here's the other one. Yeah, and they have like this heavy coating, like a heavy like polished black coating on them. And it has comes with all this cardboard packaging inside the box. And here's the other one. And it comes with a set of instructions with warranty information. It says limited 90-day warranty, so these aren't warranted for life. These only carry a 90-day warranty. Okay, so here are your jack stands. They differ from the old ones because these are solid on the side. The old ones had like cutouts on the sides here. And these have this, I guess, security bar here that's welded. You can see here. It's welded there to help this from, I guess, splitting the seam here. So it's kind of dark. Let me see if I can get a little bit better light. It has a seam that connects the two sides, and then they put this bar here, which is welded here, I guess, as an added security measure in case the seam breaks. And these are Daytonas, not the old. I think the old ones were Pittsburgh, if I'm not mistaken. And these ones have a rubber handle here. And the ratchet arm looks a bit thicker than the old one. And there's another weld here. I guess that connects the head to the body. And these come with a safety pin. It's a triangular safety bar. It's connected to a chain. This is what the safety bar looks like. It's pretty solid. It's a solid piece of steel. I guess it goes into this cutout here as a safety device, like that. And it only goes in one way because it's shaped in a particular way. There's a flat end here, flat, flat, flat. So it has 4 flat ends. I guess you can only put it in one way. Yep, it only goes in one way. Oops, sorry to hit the camera. Okay, so the stand goes in the body like that. And it has the ratchet. And as a double security, when you have your length and you put your vehicle on, you put the bar in, and that's just an added security. So you have the ratchet securing the stand, and you have this extra piece of metal here just in case anything goes wrong. So that's double the amount of ratchets. So you got one tooth engaged with the ratchet bar, and then you have another tooth potentially engaged with the safety bar here. Yeah, these seem like pretty decent jack stands. They do definitely seem like an improvement over the old ones. The old ones were kind of cheap. I think they were usually like $20-$25 for the old ones, and for these they are selling these right now for $39.99. But I think these are worth they're a little bit extra that it costs over the old ones. I think these look a lot better built and they look a lot safer than the old ones. And if you do still have a pair of the old ones, I think any of the ones from that era, not only, I think there's 4 particular ones that were recalled by the Highway Safety Administration, something like that. Don't quote me. I'm bad with with exact names, but there were 4 that were definitely recalled, and then the rest of the ones from that particular era were also on their own discretion recalled, and you can take those back. So if you have those old ones, if you have the recall ones, take them back, and for like, I don't know, $10 more, you can pick up a set of these new 3-ton Daytonas, which seem to be a lot safer than those older ones. So that's all I got, guys. All right, until next time, bye.